Hi guys, today we want to do some tests with the new lens for the GFX system, for the GFF 100, the original one, the Master Jedi. San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're gonna do some tests with the GFX 100 and the lens 32 to 64. We're gonna do some tests, some street photography. I'm gonna use the polarized in this lens. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, I'm told you hate the month of May. Could've never told you that. Maybe I could keep you here someday. But we come apart. Didn't mean to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this so romance. But now we passed the month of May. You know it's spring for you.
If you ever go down Trinidad, they make you feel so very glad. Calypso sing and make up rhyme.
Quite amazing photo.
Real good fine time drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
The dynamic range is amazing, bro.
I haven't seen any rain dragging around a ball and chain. I haven't seen any rain dragging around a ball and chain. Angel says it's 11:15. I'll catch the next elevator to heaven. Time can be a second, can be a minute.
I'm gonna use this system. I'm gonna use the GFX 100 today with tracking and eye detection. I just leave it in single shot because if I was tempted to use multiple shot, but you will get a drop down to 14-bit if you do that, and that is not. It's not good. It's not bad, but it's not good either. So I leave it in single shot. So I want to take advantage of the full quality that this camera gives me. I believe this is a good system. The eye detection and face detection track very well. It's not super fast, but it's not slow either. It's very good. For a medium format camera, it's very, very good. With this lens, look at this. It's very fast, man. I don't know why people complain about it. This is good.
Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do.
See you later, guys.